Look inside. Nope. Yep, that's good. Good. Okay. Yeah, that's good, right?
Can I take this one?
And then look. No, Isaac.
This one bite.
Okay, and then Max. Max, look. And then you have your pizzas. Okay. Take the sauce. And you spread it like that.
Spread, spread, spread. Hi, Mom. Making pizza.
Delicious.
Mommy,
Alex is teaching me.
this pizza is going to taste like strawberry milk.
What? Okay.
No.
Okay.
Yes.
And then when it's all said and done, about the sauce. Tell me when it's said and done on mine, alright? So you have that, right? And then you take yours.
Wait, let him catch up. Do your side, Max.
Okay, do yours.
Alright.
Take the spoon, dip it in,
Hold that, yeah.
and spread it on, and smooth. Not that fast. Take it like this. Look, like this. Okay, next. And you only need like 3 scoops and put it on.
That should be enough right there.
Over here, over here, over here. Over here.
That's more than enough sauce, guys. Okay. Let me move that.
And then
Making pizza is fun.
you take your cheese, and you take all of it, and you spread it on. You move it wherever you want. How do you move it? Not like that, Max. Take it up and move it around.
Move it all around.
Like this? Yeah. And then you take your pepperoni. Oh, Isaac! Isaac! It's disgusting. Then you take this. So you take
Pepperoni.
one pepperoni. Here, I'll do this for you. Take chunks.
Oh, you love pepperoni.
Oh, those are for the eyes. That's why. Yeah, you have to fold them. And then you can make the mouse. You can make the mouse. And make it like a ninja turtle by adding it like this. Look, by doing this.
I only like pepperoni on pizza.
By doing
And
that.
this looks like a smiley face.
Okay? Oh, that's funny. Maybe like this.
No, Max, use a napkin, please.
Mom, is it a video?
Uh-huh. Yes, it's a how-to video. How to make a what?
I'm gonna make a pizza. Look, Alex.
Who's gonna make a pizza of our right now?
I am.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Okay, good, Max. Wait.
Hey, Mikey. Pizza. Pizza. Boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, ba.
Oh, I know what those pepperonis over there are for. The mask of the Ninja Turtle, right? Mm-hmm. Stop, Isaac. Stop eating the cheese.
Mmm.
Good? Is it ready to be cooked?
Yep.
Okay, we'll put it in.
Finished. It's gonna be delicious
Ninja
pizza.
Turtle pizzas. Delicious. We'll see how it turns out on part 2 of how to make a Ninja Turtle pizza.